Creativity is part of the DNA of Maxis, and we are an extremely passionate bunch of people, and I think it's something that goes right to the last person in Maxis, and this is something that we thoroughly enjoy doing, and we have been now the undisputed leaders in the media space in Bangalore. This is the 5th year that we have won the Media Agency of the Year, and this is something that means a lot to us. And this would not have been possible if this agenda was being given by one or two people within the agency. All the youngsters in Maxis are the ones who are driving this. Instead of it being a top-down thing, it is a bottom-up thing which is growing and has almost become part of what we do on a day-to-day basis. And I think that is why we have been showing this amazing performance, which we are so thrilled and pleased about year after year. We also have an extremely interesting bunch of clients. Nokia, for instance, is somebody who is a brand that we have been repeatedly doing great work, and it is the client actually that we would like to thank for believing in us and helping us do this kind of work. The other thing that really works for us is the use of media. So when we think solutions, communication from what is really going to be connecting with consumer. We have consumer at heart of everything, and then we don't think about it on one or two media. It is what clicks the best, whether it is branded content, whether it is digital, whether it is social, whether it is for instance the Sonata, what we won was for the first time we blacked out a newspaper. For Tanishq, we did a program which was connecting with the grassroots in Tamil Nadu. And likewise, there is always a consumer problem that the media team has always tried to address. And that we have been able to address because we've been powered by our house of media, which helps us very seamlessly integrate different touch points across the entire communication spectrum and therefore come up with the best solution that matches the consumer.